So we're getting ready to pull the motor out of here. Got a bad cylinder. Washed it out. Lost compression. So this is our donor engine, and it's going in this truck. I'm just getting everything ready right now. I'm gonna drain all the coolant and everything. Maybe get the radiator off, get all this other stuff off here. Battery's disconnected. And my friend's coming over tomorrow to help me, so hopefully within a couple hours we'll have this thing out of here.
Couple hours?
Yeah. Wishful thinking.
Yeah.
Well,
there is some prep work, right? Has to be done.
Yeah, I sprayed the exhaust bolts down with penetrant, so hopefully they come off good. That's these bolts right here. I took all the spark plugs out, cleaned them, put oil in it, squirt a little oil inside the cylinders so they're not dry. So when we go to start it up, at least it has some kind of lubrication in there. It'll be a big day tomorrow.
All right, I'm ready.
I'm going to start right early in the morning. Wife may not be here to video it, but we'll see.
I'll be here. Oh, 6 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Well.
So, anyway, we're going to go tomorrow or tonight, I don't know which. I'm going to take the airbox off, disconnect all this stuff, disconnect all the ignition coils, pull this off, get the radiator fluid drained. All right. Well, try to make some video here. I'm going to start taking all this stuff off, all these connections and everything. Actually, I might drain the water, try to start it up, and then see if I can show you how it smokes or doesn't smoke, because I think it's a blown head gasket. I'll come back later. This hose goes back there. Right, ground, right here to the frame.
can't get it out.
No, and then the other one on the other motor just went right off, like it was nothing. This one, oh, I think you got to push the white. Yeah, you got to push the white tab.
White tab should pull back. So.
Pull back and then push the white tab. Little squeezers. Like pliers.
Nope, just a screwdriver.
Oh,
That really don't want to work.
try that. That white tab, you push it, it unlocks it.
There's a piece of it stuck in there.
The one that I broke. I can't get this fucking thing off either. I don't know how to fucking get that out. Like stupid. So I need to find a.
The compressor is the tensioner?
Huh?
The compressor is the tensioner?
The compressor, you got to walk the belt off. I put a new belt on, so you got to turn the motor and walk the belt off. That's how. There is no tensioner.
Say what?
Yep,
You're sure?
I'm positive.
It don't
Yep.
just spin a little bit.
You got to spin it. You got to walk the belt off.
You're sure?
I did it, and I've watched videos, and it's like, this seems stupid, but whatever. You know. So that's
I think I'd take the bolt out of it right here.
I did, and you know what? The bolts come out so fucking hard. It's like because they're all under tension.
Yep.
And I got all the bolts out, and it didn't help me. Didn't help me none.
Really?
It's still locked in there. It's like it's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. So what size is that? You think?
The bolts?
Yeah.
They're gonna be.
Not the for the harmonic balancer.
Oh, I have no idea.
Underneath there.
And then it's got 3 belts on it, huh?
Huh?
It's got 3 belts on it, huh?
On the whole thing?
Yeah, it's got one for the power steering.
Oh no. Yeah, that one's still on them. Well, what else can we do? You know how to walk these off very easy?
No, I've always loosened.
Which way are you turning?
I'll go whatever way you want.
So why don't we?
I would like the bolts out of it, and it would kind of flip over towards the tank. And
It won't. I thought so too.
bolted on the back on both sides.
It's bolted to the front.
Only on the one side, and the big long bolt on the other side.
Yep.
It,
And it would not.
would not move, huh?
I thought, well, at least it's gonna give me something, you know?
And it didn't.
Didn't give me nothing. I still had to walk the belt off. Stupid, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I was looking for some kind of tensioner, you know, like the old style where they had a bolt.
Yep.
And you could tighten them. Nope. No, it's this one. So the air compressor, if we just take it off, we're not taking it out all the way, right?
Nope. Leave it right down there in the bottom.
And we can still get to the motor mounts and stuff.
Yeah, the motor mounts are pretty easy. This one.
I don't know how to. The old motor mounts that I had a one straight through bolt. And you
No,
can
these
come
ones-
in like this way from it.
These ones got 3 going down.
Oh, that's what I'm looking at. It seems like that. I don't know if this old one has. So I got a bunch of extensions to reach up to the manifold bolts. How do you get that freaking thing out of there? The guy had to do it because he put a new injector in. So he had to take his whole manifold out of there.
So it's either bolted on the back or clipped
I already got bolts out.
on the back.
Yeah.
So we'll just take all these 10mm bolts out and pull the hole and take with it. These ones right here.
Yeah. I think that was good.
We'll just pull the intake right off. Piece
Yeah.
of cake, yep.
You want an impact?
Here you got one.
Yeah. 10. Probably 10mm.
Yes.
You want an extension? How long? How long?
6 inch should be good.
That better?
Yep.
Nothing out of here. You know, you remember you said something about the oil pan?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I looked to see what it took to get the oil pan off. Is that another one?
A lot of work.
Oh my gosh. You gotta rip the whole front end apart.
Yep.
I was like, are you kidding me? Just to take the oil pan off? And do you know where the oil pump is on these?
On the front.
Yeah.
Behind the crank.
Yeah.
Well, not behind it, but on the front of it, behind the harmonic balancer.
I just can't believe you got to walk a belt on, you know?
Yeah, that's crazy.
And you know what though? These things, they don't take a lot of pressure to spin them.
No?
No.
Oh, the compressor?
Yeah. For some reason, it's not under a lot of tension. It's not going to spin very easy.